So we have had trouble with this alarm clock, so we're going to do a little tutorial to tell you how we've figured this out. Okay, so right now we are going to set the clock, and this button right here is the clock setter. In order to get it to change, you have to hold it in. When it starts beeping, bumping, flashing, then you push the hour button until you get the hour. Now, once it gets past 12, it's going to change over here. It says PM. Okay, so we want, right now, it's 8:45. So we're going to go to 8:45. Now, this one's the minute hand. So if you move this one, you're going to do the minute. Once it gets to the 0, it just goes right back to the back to 0 and starts over. Okay, so we got this to 8:45. Cool. Okay, and once that's done, you press the clock button again. And then this is the day of the week. Today is Sunday. If you don't like that day, this would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We like that day. So we're going to push clock again. Boom. Now, if you'd like to get an alarm, we got 2 alarms on this clock. This is alarm number 1. You hold it in, and it says, 6:30. Great. If you want to change that time, you use the hours and minutes just like that. Now, if you like that time, then you're going to push it again. This is Monday through Friday. That's the time. If you want to change that, you click the minute. That's a weekend alarm. This is everyday alarm. That's just the weekdays. Okay? If we like that, we're going to push the alarm again. Okay? And you do the exact same thing with the alarm too. Now, in order for you to stop the alarm going, one other thing. This middle button is the time zone. You hold it in. Oh, no, you just click it once. Okay. We are in time zone 1. You have to kind of look up what your time zone. So say if you want to do time zone 2 or 3, you just keep clicking it. We want time zone 7. Okay, so we're good on that. Now, alarm number, okay, if you want the alarm to go, not the alarm, but the radio to go on, you just click this power button.
My favorite, so it's like my favorite station.
This is our alarm. If you're going to change the alarm, you're going to, or the radio, you're going to do this tuning. We're going to turn that off. Great. Okay, whoa, that's the AM. That's the FM. We're going to turn it off by holding it. Yes. Okay, it's trial by error here. Okay, now, there is something else that's very important to know about this alarm. The alarms. If you want to have a buzzer, you're going to click this alarm one. You're not going to hold it, but you're just going to click it. That's the radio. That's off. There's the buzzer. Same with the alarm number 2. But radio, off, buzzer. We like the buzzer. We got it going on. I think that's all we need to know. 3 minutes and 30 seconds to figure this out. You want to turn the alarm off, you either push snooze or the power button. Power button turns it on forever. The snooze will come back on in a few minutes. That's all you need to know. Good luck.